In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and manage file permissions on Google Drive. Understanding how to control who can access your files is an essential skill for anyone using Drive, whether it's for sharing a document with colleagues, friends, or ensuring your personal files remain private. Let's start by identifying the file or folder on your Google Drive for which you want to check the permissions. Once you've navigated to that file or folder, go ahead and right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu where you'll want to select the Share option. Clicking Share will open up the sharing window where you'll be able to see all the current sharing settings at a glance. In this window, the first section you'll encounter is People with Access. This area lists all the specific people who currently have access to your file or folder. It shows you whether each person is allowed to view the file, comment on it, or edit it. It's important to keep track of who has these permissions, especially if your document is sensitive or collaborative, since editing rights allow other users to alter the document's content. The second section you'll see is Link Access. This information tells you if the file or folder is set so that anyone with the link can interact with it in some way. The settings here might range from allowing others to view, comment, or even edit the document, just like the People with Access section. This option is crucial for quickly sharing documents with large groups or public groups where you might not want to add every individual into the share list manually. If you find that the current permissions need to be adjusted, Google Drive allows you to modify them directly from this window. You can change individual user permissions by clicking the drop-down next to a person's name. Here, you can switch their capabilities between viewing, commenting, or editing, depending on what level of access you deem appropriate for each specific person. There's also an option to adjust the general link access settings, typically found under a prompt titled Change Link to Unrestricted via anyone with the link. Adjusting this setting will allow you to broaden or restrict access with just a simple click. For example, switching to anyone with the link might be useful for distributing information to a larger audience without needing to individually grant permissions to each potential viewer. Remember, managing who has access to your files not only protects your data, but also ensures that collaboration and sharing are smooth and efficient. Now, you've got a comprehensive understanding of how to manage permissions on Google Drive. Feel free to explore and make use of these tools to maintain control over your shared files. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.